Hey everybody, welcome back to another LA Beats episode. Today I'm going to show you how I made the beat New York Knocks, now available at labeats.com. Please, if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe down below, and let's get into it. This is going to be a quicker video. I'm going to actually show you guys the piano roll inside of Pro Tools that will show you the actual notes of what I'm playing instead of just showing you on the keyboard. This way you guys can actually see the notes and how everything aligns and how the songs mesh together. This is going to be a quicker video, so let's just jump right into it. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like the material, and we're going to see you next time. Thank you.